So kulena ndaba itrendayo la, there's this guy kuthiwa igama lakhe uTeboho. So uTeboho is crashing out on social media, babes, because he found out ukuthi umntana ebemondla icingo wakhe kanti ayingowakhe. Nangu uTeboho ngimfaka la umbona nangu nomntwana, but obviously I can't show you guys the baby's face. But you can see ukuthi uTeboho is dark skinned, umama is dark skinned, and then the baby is light skinned. Ndiyeza apha ngizokuxela uba why ndithetha kanjalo. So uTeboho found out ukuthi lo mntana kahle kahle lilahle ayingomntana wakhe. And uTeboho ebeseyibhadele a portion of the lobola, a 10K. Kanti olalo ngumntana ayingowakhe lilahle. Ugirl went as far as putting uTeboho kwi-birth certificate yomntana as the father. And kuthiwa ugirl olalonge bemazi ba uTeboho wangutata umntana, uyamazi yena tata umntana. Wade wayeka into yobani ba ambaptize as utata womntana, kodwa uyayazi into yobani ba umntana ayingowakhe. Now guys, I'm not a doctor, no, but looking at the mother and the father, both are dark skinned, and the child is light skinned. Yabona, sometimes this obsession abafana banayo about light skinned babies and light skinned women is abakhawatha. Because I'm sure uthe abona umntana wabona ba yo yeah, light skinned mina ngikhuphi light skinned. Kuba njani asana I light skinned u dark skinned nomama umntana e dark skinned. To make the matters worse, Ketsana, there's a comment nansi kuthiwa uguy njengoba ebanjiswe ilahle nje, kuthiwa there's a woman awathi hey, this child is not mine, go and look for ubaba wami umntwana, lo mntwana ngowami. Kuthiwa wabe umntwana efana naye Duatsi wampik. I'm sure Ugirl right now is rolling on the floor with laughter because Ikama has caught him. That's if it's true. If it is true, then now are we gonna feel sorry for umntu that's being dealt with ngekama yakhe ngento abayenzayo, you understand? Kona imbi senze uba imbi, but you reap what you sow. But anyways, kuthiwa nangu utata umntana. Ugirl umxelele uTeboho wathi nangu utata umntana. So uTeboho uthi, you know what, bring back my 10,000 bese ndibhatele. Le yobana bese ndiyoye ngayo umntana, it's fine, you can keep it, but le 10K ndiyayifuna, bring it back. 2021, babes, go back to 2021 and fix things.